Karaida ilukuntosi Karamoja ichanlwe tenge neda kangoli karu etwakatare tunga. Etejenasi lweya itosinu angale webe Eimidi nesi Adeka na IngarenitKaramoja kanu ayara lwa mama ikaluija.
The reason why we picked on Karamoja is that it is one of the regions that really has suffered a lot with malaria. Karamoja was one of the leading region with malaria at 34%.
Aigirigira na yoriongtelo angale Dr. Diana Twine nesabala ebe akotobera itolota ingichi kanwa jinunu ibore polore Eimidi Karamoja Karaida inne pita kolong narai luangale ukesibala sebe yesiru keseuriete kotomapake na etepiedo konyeko Karamoja era boisit na polora kolong adeparedo.
Because they don't have a lot of water, most of the time is dry, but yet they continue to experience high burden of malaria. So we need to do a lot more to study, especially with this climate change, whether now mosquitoes have evolved and they are producing their eggs even where there is no water.
Konye Dr. Opigo nesabala ebe akironu ilo kapero kinga kanwa dara keche kitu gosorida akironu imanya tasia ngunulu edidi nesimame patana aibe kine itiba toma.
You see how manyatas are close to each other, so mosquito can move from one person to another very easily. Also with the manyatas, it's very difficult to use mosquito nets, and also because of securing their animals, the young men sleep outside and they cannot bring the mosquito net outside because they have to sleep under camouflage.
Keda ena peta no itetete kwa nano ayanga ono no da ena kinidwe lueja skwapuna ikarikany kia Eimidi erokila pio luege unedo wa etep koralo skinitebone betetere konya kiko kungina sirut edumuni akeokoto ejaekia lo Eimidi oema ina kinidwe unedo Adeka. Dr. Stephen Pandi lode pulo kinda dexna polo na omoroto neseteje na ebe ageweki alaswam ido kwa nabere lo sete nambalo edekasi Adeka na Eimidi ijesunu kwa pko moroto Karamoja kere.
It has shown a lot of good results that under the children who are targeted, that is under 3 months to 5 years or 3 months to 59 months, they have first of all reduced on the number of the bouts of malaria, and also there has been a reduction in referrals.
It involves the months of rain season, which is the months of malaria transmission, giving medicine for children under 5 every month, so that should a mosquito bites them, it finds already medicine in their system. With this, we have seen malaria transmission among the target group reduced by close to 90%.
The highway. In many places of Karamoja, many places, access to health care is like a dream. You have to wait. I told you in Poron sub-county, you have to wait for market day for some nurse to bring and sell her drugs on market day. If you fall sick when there is no market day, you die.
Facilities. We cannot say that there are not health facilities in Karamoja region. There are some where there are some where they are not. But we shall endeavor to ensure that we fulfill our commitment to ensure that we have health centers free.
Eimidi nesingarenitKaramoja keda yari tunga ko Karamoja ingoli tunga kwatalu edumunia yosode tainwak akaise uni kanuongon kese dumuno jarete kede malaria. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Moroto.